Hello, welcome to the stream, everybody. Alright, so yesterday we were like doing a lot of talking yesterday. No code, you guys probably, where's the code? Where's the code? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Before I even get started, I'm gonna try something out that one of my, someone on my server, Vortex, told me about. Let's see. God damn it, what is my discriminator? 0841. God damn it, it's because of the streamer mode. It's somewhere up here. Yo, what's up, KP? Inca? What's up, Ellie? How are you? How are you guys? Let's see, where is it? Damn, we had a long conversation here, man. Gotta go find that message. Where is it? It's somewhere up here. Somewhere up here. Let's see. Yo, what's up, Mohammed? How are you? Oh yeah, this one. Okay. So this is basically a TypeScript version of Create React app. Basically, just TypeScript templates. So that's pretty cool. And I have never used this before, so I don't think it'd be that complicated to use, if I'm being honest. But we can just add TypeScript though. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and just install it. So let me go ahead and remove. Yo, what's up, Trollcraft 1002? How are you? Let me turn on my fake webcam real quick. Alright, what's up, guys? This is I don't know who's new here. So if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. I stream every day. I try to stream every day. And I try to do educational streams. So my webcam is like so not the webcam, but the lighting in my room is so bright. I mean, not bright, dim. Oh, you're new. Welcome, man. Are you from where are you from? Like, are you from Traversy Media, or you just like found the channel randomly one day? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install a new. Well, not install. I'll create a new React app. Do I even have yarn? I do have yarn create. Oh wait, there's like a type word here somewhere. Yarn create React app. Okay, let's do that. I do have yarn. I do. Okay. Okay, I did not mean to do that. I don't know why I created. Okay, so yarn create React app, and then we'll call this I don't even know what to call this app because I don't even know what exactly it is that we're gonna end up building. I'm just gonna try to sell template TypeScript. Alright. Traverse Media, nice. You're from Discord bot video, nice. Oh, you're from Traversy's channel. Alright, awesome, man. Yo, what's up, Jean LaRose? How are you? Yeah, I'm trying it out. I'm trying it out. I mean, always gonna try new things. Always gonna try new things. So if you guys are new, yeah, welcome to the channel. I just trying to get React set up with TypeScript right now. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. What's your favorite language to code in? Java. Probably Java. Yeah. The reason why is because I really do like Java. I don't really use it that much. I want to start using it more. I don't really get to use it that much. So, all right, let's see what this is about. Oh shit, we got a bunch of TSX files. JSX, that's old, that's outdated. No one likes JSX anymore. Everyone likes TSX. All the cool kids on the block are using TSX files. If you're not using TSX, you're bad. This is Fatal Error from Discord. Yo, what's up, man? Oh yeah. Okay, I didn't know like what your name on Discord was, but yeah, welcome, man. How am I doing? I'm doing good. R6 scrims. Hopefully you're doing well too. This is pretty nice. Like I like the TSX. Much better than JSX. If you're not using TSX, you're bad. Yo, what's up, Connor? How are you? Welcome back to the stream, man. In Discord 11v rich embed, that's because in they changed it in version 12. They changed it from rich embed to message embed for version 12. So yeah, that's just how it is. They just changed it. The reason why was because, well, originally they had rich embed and message embed. So if you wanted to like send a new message embed. Like if you want to send an embed message through the channel, you would have to create an instance of rich embed rather than message embed. Message embed was only an instance if the message was sent if the embed was sent, right? So I guess they didn't see any point, so they just changed everything to message embed. Yo, Acclimity, what's up, man? How are you? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Why the custom status isn't working? I don't think they've implemented it yet. I don't think it's available yet, so you can't use it. Alright, yo, this is sick, man. This is sick. Alright. So, we didn't really get much done yesterday. I was just kind of like, talking a lot yesterday. But I want to, get some stuff done today. I want to do some coding. I don't really have a design. I'm just going to go full, just go straight up. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. Hold on. I gotta move my monitor real quick. Not monitor, my, so I can't really, okay, there we go. This is better. Now I can see the chat much easier. What can you make and what can you do making Java? You can make everything. Web apps, games, a lot of things. Is there really a difference between TS and JS? Yes. There is. It's much more robust. It's statically typed, and it's more safe because you can type annotate functions, and it'll prevent you from passing in a string into a function that expects a number. So you plan on making a video on how to make a login system with React? I do have that in plan. I have a lot of video ideas, so. I need more people to just suggest these things, because, we have a suggestion channel, but everyone always asks about Discord stuff. It's very rare that I do see things that are, non-Discord related, like this one, for example. This is a good suggestion that someone made. This is also a good suggestion as well that I have a plan. It's just that I have so many ideas to go about, and very limited time. Is Yarn better than Node? Yes. And first, I expected you know about it. Well, no, I do know about it. I knew about it. It's just that I never bothered, trying it. I thought, you had to, do some more additional, setups and shit. I thought it was actually much more complicated than actually just running this command. I didn't know that this was the command you had to use. But I thought you had to, set up some custom thing. But, that's good to know. I'm going to start using that from now on. Did you ever make a Minecraft plugin? I did make one, but it wasn't that complicated. It was just, a simple... It was just a simple Minecraft plugin, but I do know how to make some. I never put in too much effort into it though, so. Alright, so we're not done with our app setup yet. We need to add React Router DOM as well. What have you made in Java before? Java was the first language that I learned. I was using Java back when I was in college, and we used it for all of our projects. We also used C as well for more low-level systems programming stuff. And nowadays, I don't really use Java anymore. I do want to use it more because I just really like the language a lot. It's a lot of fun. But, yeah, you can do anything. You can make web apps, you can make games, you can make Minecraft plugins. Anything that you can do in any language, or anything that you're doing in your current language can be done in a different language. Maybe just a little bit different, but. After hating on Angular so much, I'm a little bit biased about Angular. After using it, it's good tips about it, though. After using it, I think it's good now. I doubt using React for my project. Any tips? Angular has a high learning curve, especially if you're completely new to it and never used any other framework before. So, I would just say keep practicing. Watch Brad Traversi's video on Angular. He does do a good video covering Angular. He has a crash course and he does a simple project. And his style of doing it, I actually really like a lot. So I would highly recommend, watching his video. If you need any help though, just join the Discord server. I rarely ever get asked about Angular help, so I'd be more than happy to help you out when I have the time when it comes to Angular. But yeah, I just join the server, and if you're not in there already. What's up, Lemming? How are you? Taha YTB. To learn making bots, what advices can you give me? How much time to be good at? Don't worry about the time because time is really something that's you're gonna be spending a lot of time with anything really. So don't think of it in a way that you want to finish, by 3 months, unless you're trying to get hired instantly. But just learn the basics. Start off with the simple stuff, right? I have videos on my channel for Discord bots. If you want to go ahead and take a look at it, you can. They should be more than enough to help you get started. But make sure you know JavaScript first before you jump into the Discord bots. When are you going to continue with Code Ring? The website itself, well, that's not something that I would work live. I mean, I could, but it's just like a whole lot of stuff that's going on that I probably don't want to work on it live. The reason why is because it's actually a private project that I'm working on, and I wouldn't really want to like expose it to the entire public, because normally if you're working on like company level stuff, like if you're working on your own private web project, and if you have like a public website, you generally don't want to release the whole code to the public, because it makes it easier for attackers to reverse engineer everything. They can like look through everything. They can find ways to test against your current project and hack it in some way. So you don't want to do it. Could you use Chakra UI? I'm not gonna use Chakra UI. I'm gonna be using Bumbag. It's not the same, but it's very nice. I like it a lot. What languages are close to Java? Dart, C Sharp, maybe not really C++, but I would say Dart and C Sharp. Will I ever make a Twitch bot? Yes. Not right now, but yes. Because if I learn Java, I want to be able to expand my knowledge to another language. Yeah, you can. You can. You can. You can. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this app. So let's do this. We have to do a couple things with our app, though. We have to import. I forgot what it was. It was something. I think it was what. Is it provider? All right. Let's see. It's import provider as Bumbag. Okay, so I was kind of right. I was already there. Right? Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap this around that. Okay, and now we should be able to use all of the components for Bumbag. So I think what I'll do is I'll start off with a simple navigation bar. I'm not gonna make this super complicated, but I do want some kind of nav bar, like probably something like a top nav. Yeah, like something like that looks like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste that, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new folder called components. I did make a Discord bot and implemented image recognition, AI, and all that into that bot, but after since I felt like a waste of time. Well, here's the thing, look, I don't think it's a waste of time. I think that's pretty cool that you did that. It's not a waste of time. It depends on how you see it, right? If you see that you learned something new to it and it added something to your current skill set, that's something of value right there. That was something valuable that you contribute to your skill set. So even if it might not, like, don't think of it just because it's a Discord bot, it's a waste of time. In the future, if you work on a new app, you can implement image recognition to it for like a backend. So it's definitely not a waste of time. Twitch bot or in Python, you can code in any language. Answer me, please. If I hosted a bot with the backend of my website, how can I access the API? Whoa. First of all, like, you don't have to say answer me, please. Like, I'll answer the question. Anyways, let's see. How can I access the API? Well, I mean, you would have to enable the firewall for that port, basically. You would have to enable the firewall for that port. Also, did you see that I clicked on your question and just like glancingly look? I didn't actually read the question that you asked in the Ask Anything. Seriously, man, I never thought of it like that. Thanks, indeed. I learned a lot from that, though. Yeah, look, like I said, like, like, people always think it's a waste of time because you're learning something that you want to learn. No, it's not. Like, people can say, oh, it's a waste of time learning assembly language, but, maybe in the future, if you ever need to get a job as an assembly language programmer, that'll be very helpful for you. So it just really depends. It's really based on your perspective, By the way, if you guys are new, I have a Discord server. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description. You guys aren't in there already. Okay, so I'm gonna make a navigation bar. So I'm gonna create a index.tsx. All right, let's see how many times I accidentally name my files .jsx today. It's probably gonna be at least once. HTML and CSS are the only languages to make websites. Well, for the front end, yes. Everything all boils down to HTML and CSS. I don't know. I'm starting to get bored of this theme, if I'm being honest. Do I have any other themes that I can use? Let's see. I get very bored of my theme sometimes, so I'm gonna see if I can find a new theme to use. You guys have any suggestions for themes? Feel free to let me know. Yeah, I don't really like some of these themes either. Do they have Xcode theme? Xcode. No, this looks really... I don't like it. I mean, I don't know. It's not that bad, but I don't really like it though, if I'm being honest. You guys have any suggestions? Yeah. By the way, do you notice tagline "Hello, my beautiful friends" from the internet? Yeah, that's DevEd. That's DevEd. Dark Plus maybe. I don't know. I'll try it out. Let's see. No, I don't like it. I definitely don't like that. Yeah, I definitely don't like Dark Plus. It's too basic. I don't know. Most of the themes are just very similar. If I'm being honest, most of them are very similar. Material dark. You can try this, I guess. Mojave. Night Owl. Yeah, David, he's a character. He's a unique one. Okay. From back. Top nav. Image button. Alright, so if you guys were here yesterday, this is basically what we had. What's going on over here? Cannot find name top nav. Is it because we it's weird. Okay, there we go. For some reason the hot reload didn't work. I don't know why, but well, I got awake because of the light theme. Lemming22. I'm trying to work on like this little app. I'll show you, don't worry. I don't want to say too much of it right now, because like, you know, I want to work on the UI first, and then from there I'll like dictate what it is that we're gonna end up making. But I just want to create a simple template. Like, I guess you can say I want to create a simple, nice layout for our app first before I really decide what it is that I want to do with it. I guess this can be like a starting point, I guess. Hey Anson, got a quick question. How do I pull a channel from Mongoose and message deleted, man? What do you mean by pull a channel from Mongoose? Like, I would need a little bit more context for that. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, well, you'd have to, so you'd have to make a database call. That's pretty much it. Make a database call inside the event. That's pretty much it, really. Shouldn't be too complicated. It would be something like what? Your config find all. I would suggest just asking on the Discord server, because I can't really send you, like, you know, the code right now. Just ask your like question on the Discord server. Hey, you got any guys ideas? Whoa. Can't talk today. How to make it? Oh, something to make into a Discord bot. I'm really bored of do. Maybe do something else aside from a Discord bot. Maybe, you know, learn full stack development and build a nice website. I feel you, man. Like, look, I've gotten bored of Discord bots at some point, so I just started learning new things. Like, there's only so much that you can do. I mean, you can definitely do a lot, but I'm just saying, like, you know, don't limit yourself to just one thing. Dive into new things. Yeah, so maybe build like a an application. Maybe have you built a dashboard yet for your bot? Have you built a dashboard yet? Yeah, build one. I think that'll definitely teach you a lot more too with like front end, and you can also still like you won't be abandoning your project immediately. So yo, what's up, computer geek? How are you? How do I get the guild's icon for the dashboard page? Um, well, I mean, the guild itself, there's a guild.icon URL property, I think. What's the longest time that you worked on a personal project? Good question. I would say probably a month. Junior devs, when they did something wrong, it's the other devs' fault. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, that is kind of true. Well, I don't even think it's just junior devs in general. Like, I don't want to label it just junior devs. I think a lot of people just tend to do that too. Like a lot of people don't want to, they don't want to, take accountability. They just want to blame other people. So, but now for me personally, like if I mess up, I know I mess up, and I always take accountability. Like I don't ever make excuses. Like, that's something that I never want to do. Is just make excuses. You know what I mean? Never ever want to be that guy that makes a billion excuses. Attention span? Well, I think. Well, I mean, look, for me personally, I just like right now. It's like I'm in like a learning phase, right? Like I'm learning a bunch of different things right now, and once I finish learning, then that's when I go into like making like a big project. Like I think my two biggest projects were probably Code Ring, which is my website that I use to host coding events, and the other website that I made for one of my friends for his company. That was when I was freelancing before I did full time. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. That's very true. Okay. Okay, let me go back to here. All right, so we have our navigation bar. That's good. So let me go ahead and modify a little bit. Hopefully I can get most of these things done. I'm gonna be on for a little bit longer today. I'll probably be on for like about 3-4 hours, maybe. I don't know. So I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't need that. And I wanted to add some padding too. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna go ahead and just make an index.css file. And I'm going to style all my components inside this one index.css file. So navigation, heading, 0px, 20px. So that's right and left. And we're going to go, let's see, I wonder if I import the CSS right over here, if that will apply to everything. I wonder. Well, let's find out. So if I give this a class name of navigation. So does that work? I don't think it did. Well, I can go ahead and try to now import. That work? Did I even do it correctly? Let me try something. Or maybe I just need to. Maybe I just need to. I feel like it should work. I became quiet. What do you mean? I think maybe I need to do like an important tag, maybe. Class name. Maybe I need like importance tag somewhere. Is that so? Yeah, I figured that was it. Yeah, that sucks. I hate using that tag, but sometimes you need to do it. All right, so now if I get rid of this, should that still work? All right, so I knew it was gonna work if I import it here. Awesome. Now I don't want it to be 20. Maybe change it to 15. Maybe 10. I think 10's a pretty fair choice. I can also give it a background color too. Background color. Yeah. Sometimes it gets really hard to maintain like a really, large application. That's why you need to like write your code in such a way that it's just easier to maintain. There are some tips that you can do, like such as like modularizing your code. Hold on, let me find some color palettes. Let me find some color palettes real quick. Again, I'm the worst with colors, so I'm just trying to generate a color palette. What color do you think I should do? I kind of want to go for like maybe a bluish color. We don't really know what the design is yet, so we can't really like say too much of what it's probably gonna be, but definitely something dark though. So let's see. Now, I think I might need to do import for everything, which kind of sucks, but I don't really like that color though. It's just too weird. And I don't want to just give it a dark color for every single time. I want it to be like bright. I want it to be bright. But that's just like really ugly, if I'm being honest. Sheila, okay, what's up? How are you? I mean, I guess this can work, but the colors are a little bit weird. I don't really like it. But I can always... Oh, let's see. What about copper penny? Oh, copper penny. So these items over here, they definitely need to be changed up a little bit. So, I wonder if, let's see. Why don't you just use gray? I'm doing good, thank you. Does this even look nice? What do you guys think? It looks really weird. Good. You think that's good? I think that's good. Like maybe like a dark color in the back, maybe dark color in the back, and then orange. The paint doesn't contrast well. I think maybe we need like a nice darkish color for the orange to really stand out, in my opinion. Use a light shade of blue. Alright, let me try. Nah. Cosmos, what's up? How are you? Man, this sucks. I have a client's project pending and my router piece out at me. I'll have to wait till tomorrow and get you one now. Damn, that sucks, dude. That freaking sucks. Let's see. I just want to find a good color. You guys got any suggestions? I'm just not digging the black though. It's just too weird. Should I use Nanoid for generating links, for example? I don't know what that is. I think maybe I'll do this, like this bluish color, and then we'll have like these links. I'll probably change the buttons a different color. Let's see, where's the button? Let's go over to the button. Probably have different colors too. For the button, I'll probably do maybe a dark color. I'll probably have to like give it a custom color rather than just like, yeah. I have to give it a custom color. Probably do dark maybe. Probably do dark. Let's see, log in. And let's see, so sections. So I think this is a flex box, I think by default. I think sections are a flex box, I'm not sure entirely. But so for color, let's do this. It looks a little bit different. And what's the 4.6 for? These are blue. It actually looks really close to the one I have. The 4.6 one. It looks really close to it. Man, you haven't seen bad designs after looking at. I think whoever comes with these will just leave his job. That's funny. That's funny. Yo, what's up, Remy World? How are you? How's it going? Now, what about this button, though? What color do you think the button should be? Damn, I don't like that. Is there a way to, like, theme this up a little bit? Oh, there is! Oh, shoot. So I can probably give this its own custom theme, but how? Let me do this constantly. Now, can I wrap this in between theme provider? This probably wouldn't be recommended, obviously, but. Obviously, I'm not going to do it like this, but I just want to see if it will actually work. I'll go to that. I don't think that worked. Okay, so it did, but okay, so yeah, it did, but the back. See this little border thing? I don't like that border. So it works the same way, but it's nice to know that we can theme our own components. But there's that little border that I want to get rid of. Not too sure where that border is coming from, but I think I could figure it out. It's probably like right over here. Oh, let's see. Where is it? Where's it? Border? Nope. Button. Border. Yep, it's right over here. So it should say border color. Somewhere over here. Border. Yep, this one. Okay. So I think that itself is the button itself. So I could probably just get rid of the border. Border, none. So that gets rid of the border. Okay, cool. So that's good. Now I could also set it myself too, but now if I get rid of this, it kind of gets rid of that of hover effect in a way. What is someone assembling in the background? Someone's vacuuming right now. They're vacuuming. Yo, what's up, Roman Beard? How are you? Okay. I don't really like this color, if I'm being honest with you. Like, the red color. I don't really like the button, if I'm being honest with you. I'm not really much of a fan of the button, if I'm being entirely honest. Like the button itself, not like the actual color, just the button. Maybe I can do a different color. Maybe I can actually get rid of the background. Instead, maybe I could do... I think maybe I'll do that instead. I like Material UI a lot too. Let's do outline, maybe. Outline. Okay, now that looks very, very weird. That's because we don't have a... It's because, oh wait, variant. I meant to do... Yeah, variant. Outlined. Okay. Palette primary. Okay, no, that definitely did not fix anything at all. Default. I want this palette primary. Outlined. For some reason it's outlined. Yeah, for some reason it's looking weird. So I might need to just go with Ghost instead. Yo, Lawroff, welcome back to the stream. Have you ever used that library styled components? I've never heard of it before. Okay, yeah, so this works. I can change the color of it too. I can change the color of it too. What other props do you have? There we go. And let's do style. Whoops. Alright, so button. Bar. And then we'll do color. Wait. Okay. Doesn't look too flashy, but it's there, I guess. It's better than having like this, I guess, but there has to be like a better color that we could probably do. Prussian blue. I think that's better, at least. That's somewhat better. Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's that bad. What do you guys think? You guys think it's okay? I think it's all right. Oh, you know what's funny? Someone actually told me about it yesterday. Well, they didn't tell me, but I saw someone posting about it yesterday. All right, now let's give a box shadow. Let's give a box shadow. Right. Now there's like a little blur that I need to add. Nope, that's not it. So I think this is what X, right? This is X. How much it is on the X-axis, so 0. This is the y-axis. Yep. I only want 2. Maybe I'll do maybe only 1. And this is the blur. Yep, that's the blur. So we'll do maybe 10. No, that's a little bit too much. Let's do 5. And I think the last one, I forgot what the last one was. 22 pixels. That's I think the spread. Now for the black color, I don't want it directly just black. I want it to be black but with like an opacity. So you see this? I can change the opacity. Okay. Now, let's see. We'll have to change this later. But let's see. I think this is okay for now. Like we have the nav bar, and then we'll like add maybe like a jar later too. And let's see. If I do 3, what if I change the opacity to 4? I think that looks okay. Yo, what's up, Sam Hep? How's it going? How's it going, man? Good to hear. If you guys have any, if you guys have any questions related to debugging, like if you guys are posting your errors in the chat, I can't really help you because, like, I would need to see the code. You know what I mean? Like, I need to see the code. So the best way for you guys to get help is if you go on the server, and we have dedicated helpers that are there that are welcome to help. We also have other people who are able to help too. So go on the server and post your question there. If you post it here, it's literally hard for me to tell what the issue is. Like, I can just tell you what it is, but it's going to be so vague because it's just what the error says. You know what I mean? I would basically repeating to you what the error is telling you. So join the server, post your question there. That's the best way to get help. Like, if you guys have, like, general questions, like, if you wanted to ask, like, you know, what's the best framework to use? You know, like, do I like this? Do I like that? Like, you know what I mean? That's a question that I can answer on the fly because it's not like a debugging question where I need to, like, look at your code. You know what I mean? So just head over to the Discord server and ask your question there. Yo, what's up, Kynes? How are you? Okay, so we got this. I like it. Okay, now we need the body of our app. So I want to make it look nice. So basically, we want like a landing page in a sense. But now I need to actually change these things so they're not links anymore. Oh, that's weird. So apparently, what is top nav.item? Apparently that was very weird. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, maybe. Okay, let me try this. Do I not have coding something special? Just coding random to learn. I'm actually coding a layout right now for my app. So, do I not have this installed? I could have sworn I installed it earlier. Oh, we have to install types. So did you finish Zelda? Not yet. I haven't been playing. I've been busy with other things. I'll probably play it later. So now it's telling me, oh, what's going on over here? Do I really need to restart? Jesus Christ. There we go. Let's do that. Alright. So what I want to do is I want to link... yeah, I want to link these things to a different route. I don't know if this will work that way, but I don't like how it got rid of that padding, though. If I'm being honest. You should not use link outside of Reddit. Oh, okay, so I can't do that. What is the other alternative? Because should I just do history.push then? Should I just do that? Oh wait, I didn't actually wrap everything in the router. I forgot about that. All right, let's do this. Import router, browser router. All right, so what is it? Import browser router. Router. So for my dashboard, I have my separate component. What do you think the best way to change the login to? So basically, for your so once they log in, what you can do if you're not using Redux, what you could do is you can just I mean, so what you can do is in the nav bar, you can make it. You can actually pass it as a prop. So, or you can probably make a request in the navbar component, which is kind of bad to do that. That's why it's much better to use like Redux. But if you're not using Redux, then you would have to make an API call to get the user's details, and then you can just show it there conditionally. Hopefully that makes sense. Alright, there we go. So that worked, but now it has that very ugly. Quite honestly, I'd rather just do. I don't know why this. This thing just gets rid of like the padding. It's so weird. I don't like that though. I really don't like that. Okay, so this should bring it to hello. I'll have to modify this a little bit. Get rid of the decoration. Yeah, I don't like that. Alright, so we'll do the same thing over here. So this will be home. This will be placeholder. There we go. Context API? I haven't used it yet. Well, what's Context API about? I haven't really had a chance to use it. I don't like this, to be honest with you. It looks really ugly. I kind of like the example from the docs. So I click on this, it doesn't actually give you the indicator. So our nav bar is going to look a little bit ugly, but we can fix it though. I'll probably need to find a better font for this later. So let's do this. So let's go over to text decoration. There we go. And let's change the color of that to light navy. Okay, so we need to add a hover to this now. So I'll probably just add a class to this. Class name. Link. Here, something as well. And I'll do link instead. So when I hover over it now, it should just here, I'll probably have to change the font too. Do you have some VS extensions to improve coding speed? Not really. I should look into some though. I'm doing a web page. My login and register have a problem. Users can register with the same email. So Laraf, what you need to do is you need to go into the backend, and every single time the user sends their sign up information, you need to actually check to see if that record is in the database. If you don't, then of course it's going to allow them to save everything to the database. So you need to make sure that you check, and if the user account does exist with that record, with that email, then you want to return an error to the front end. Okay, that's what you want to do. So our router is working, but the style for this looks really ugly though. And in general, I don't really like blocky. I don't really like blocky nav bars, if I'm being honest. Personally, I like nav bars that are like, they just blend in with the background, if I'm being honest. Those look a lot better. Okay, but we can worry about that later though. Right now we just have like the main important things, which is this. I want to focus more on the actual app itself. So I'm going to go inside app.tsx, and I want to go ahead and I want to create 2 routes. Like, let's do this. Let's go to structures, pages. And what I want to do is I want to create the home page. I'll actually call this a landing page, because that's where like people are going to visit when they first log in. About placeholder. Oops. So index tsx. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this, paste it there. Get rid of that. Alright, so we have our landing page. So this is going to contain all the code for the landing page. I'm gonna get rid of this. Get rid of that. Do you know how to code in Android Studio? I mean, I use Flutter for Android Studio, so. What's up, Shabby Man? How are you? Yo, Charlie, if you need help with code, join our Discord server. It'll be a lot easier to help you through there. The link is in the description. So this, and let's do this. So the nav bar is gonna have to go inside the router. Oh wait, no, this should be a switch. And then we need I think what is it, a route, right? Path. Page. There we go. And why is this giving me an error? Expected close time for. Oh. There we go. Now we'll do the same for placeholder. And let's see. We need to make sure we're matching our navigation bar. So I'll do this home. Alright, so now it needs to actually render the component, but it's not doing that for some reason. Which it should. For some reason it's not. I think it might be because, let's see, do I have it here? No, I don't have it. It's probably an error somewhere. Let's see. Why is this not showing? I do have it exported. Oh, I didn't actually export it. That's weird. It should have thrown an error though. Well, actually, no, wait a minute. I am exporting it from here, but it's very weird why it's not showing. Okay, now it's throwing an error. But why is that not even working though? Export const. Nope, it should work. What are TSX files for? They're for, well, they're basically for TypeScript. So you have JSX, which is JavaScript, and TSX is for TypeScript. For some reason, okay, now it's working. It was really weird. For some reason, the there's like this weird thing over here that you can click on. Oh, that's probably from something else. Okay. Now, yeah, there's this weird thing. It's not showing the hello world. Very weird. Why would it not show that though? You guys have any clue? Alright. Oh, wait. Is it because of this? Well, that's just a warning, though, I think. Yo, what's up, Maxis? How are you? I'm very confused why this is not working right now. We have a switch. We have a nav bar. Okay, now it works for some reason. Very weird. Very weird stuff. Maybe I'll have to look at how I did it before. But this is very weird. Okay, well, it's nice to know that it works now, so... Now, what is this complaining about? Navigation bar. Line 9. Oh, okay, that makes sense, yeah. It's because we have this. We can set a link. Okay. Now, we have to give the padding over here, which is pretty annoying, but it's fine. Let's see, I'll do this. That's not the end of the world. It's pretty ugly, if I'm being honest, but... let's try 20. Yeah, there we go. And now I can make it later, so when I hover over it, it'll give like a nice effect. The font is pretty ugly, if I'm being honest. We can probably find a better font, if I'm being completely honest with you. I also forgot to give this the class name. Yo, welcome back. That's fine. And then what I'll do is right over here. I'll probably give it some margin. Left 20 pixels. There we go. So it looks a little bit more in place. Let me see if I can find a better font. Any suggestions for Google fonts? Any suggestions for Google fonts? I'm just gonna pick a few. Yeah, I do. I've seen many bots. You know what I don't like a lot is I hate it when people do that. Like I hate it when people just come in and demand help. It's like really annoying. I mean, look, I don't mind answering the question, but like you just can't feel like entitled that I'm supposed to answer. You know what I mean? I just don't like that. I've seen many bots have the same exact DJS doc search command. Do you know where they find it? What do you mean? Like they just return like the actual link to the documentation, or I think the bot itself is open source. It's called Yukikazi or whatever. I think it's open source. Yeah, it's not cool. Yeah, the bot itself is open source. It's called Yukikazi. It's on GitHub. That font is ugly as shit. This is a terrible font. Why did I choose that one? See, what you guys suggest anything? PT Sans? I'm pretty bored of PT Sans, if I'm being honest. I mean, I could use it, but search up SFW. It's on GitHub. Can you make a tutorial on how to Google stuff? Seems like some people need it. I should, yeah. I should. A lot of people don't know how to do that, and it's a very important thing. People learn how to do that. Can you host your bot on a VPS? Yes, you can. I don't like this font. Maybe I'll choose a lighter one. Maybe it's just too bold, and I don't really like that. It's just too bold, you know. Do you guys like this font? It looks really ugly, if I'm being honest. It doesn't look nice. You think this looks nice? Carla Varela? I can look that up. What's this? Wait, hold on. Let me try this one. Okay, this one's like way too freaking thick. I don't think I like this one. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. Dude, how do I set the fucking word wrap? I fucking hate this. No, yeah, I knew that was gonna be ugly. Maybe Net Ninja. I'm not sure. I feel like really like everyone just covers the basics, but if you like watch some of maybe Ben Awad might be a good channel to follow with TypeScript because if you actually watch some of his more like in detail tutorials, I'm sure at some point he's gonna show you some cool stuff with TypeScript that you can do. So maybe pay attention to Ben Awad's channel. Yeah, these fonts are ugly. Let me try Ben Awad. Let me try the one that you suggested. What was it? Varela? It's so bold though. This one's too spaced out. Maybe not. Yeah, these fonts are really bad. There's only a few that I actually really like with Google Fonts. The rest are like really ugly. Damn, 21 viewers. I remember when you maxed 12. Yeah, I remember those days. That was like what 4 or 5 months ago. Well, 4 months ago. God damn, dude, why are all these fonts so garbage? Like, every single one of them is just so bad. I swear to God. They're all just so bad, man. Like, I can't find a good font that I like. Jesus Christ. This is the only one that I've actually really liked a lot. And it's, like, not even showing. There we go. Yeah, this is probably the only one that I really like, if I'm being honest. Or it might just be because I'm very hard to please when it comes to design. Or maybe something's up with this. I don't know what it is, but something's up with this. For some reason, it just doesn't want to look nice. I don't know. Maybe it's just the font or like the weight. It's just too. Maybe because it's just too bold. I don't know. It's probably because it's just too bold. Maybe I don't know. I think this is alright, but it just still looks weird. Like, I don't know, man. It just still feels so weird for some reason. Maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's just because, like, to me it looks so small, but, like, if I zoom in a little bit, it doesn't really look that bad. I don't know. What am I making? I'm trying to build a simple layout right now. So, alright, I'm done with the fonts. Like, I'm not trying to spend too much time on that, if I'm being honest. But later on, I'll make it so that when you hover over it, I mean, I could just do that now. Link item, hover, color, red, for example. I think it's to be link instead. Yeah, there we go. So I think for link item, that would be for, like, if I wanted it to change color, I think it would be background color. Let's do black. Yep, there we go. So it looks a little bit weird, but I can make it so that it can like this nice transition. For now, we'll leave it like that. I'll think of a different color though. I gotta be right back real quick. Give me like 1 minute. Alright, I'm back. Alright, sorry about that. Just had to use the bathroom. I'm gonna change my music real quick. Geek Boy, what's up? How are you? How's it going? I'm doing good, man. How about you? How about you? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I'm not too fond of the font if I'm being like completely honest, but it's not a huge deal. I think maybe this will be a little bit better, but ultimately I don't think it's such a huge deal though. It just looks weird. Done with Flutter? I'm not done with it yet. I just wanted to do some full stack React. And then I'm gonna go back to Flutter after. I'm not done with Flutter. I'm probably gonna do Flutter maybe this weekend or next week. Right now I'm just making a layout right now for the website. I don't have a set decision on what it is, but I'm just focusing on the layout right now. Now let's see. 10 p.m. It's 6:30 for me right now. 6:30 p.m. right now. Yeah, it's raining here too. It's raining pretty bad over here. $12:30 a.m. for you. Yeah. Yo, Hayden, what's up? How are you? Yo, what's up, Lyrosphere? How are you? How can I get unbanned on your Discord server? Crix Cross, what's up? How are you? I mean, you gotta understand that I gave you so many chances on the Discord server, and you know, especially the last thing that you got banned for was like, you know, really bad. So you know, Yeah. I'm just doing some React right now. I'm trying to just build a simple layout, and then I want to make it more functional later. So I don't really have a set goal in mind what the app is, but I want to actually turn it into something. I'll show you guys later. Like, it's kind of like I'm kind of keeping it like a secret. But I want to work on the UI first before I say, you know. Naily, hey, hello. Just finished watching your Discord video from the Traversy Media channel. Loved it. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're here. If you guys are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I always post videos. I try to post videos every day. Right now, I'm kind of just like taking a little break right now, so I'm live streaming to make up for it. But I usually live stream myself building full stack apps, mobile apps. Maybe in the future, you know, I'll get into game dev someday. Not right now, but maybe in the future, you know. What UI tools I use for design? Sometimes I use Figma. Sometimes I just think of it from like, you know, scratch. I'm not really the best when it comes to design, really. But usually I use Figma, though. Let me actually open up Figma. Like, I'm not really the best when it comes to design, so... Like, I think my best design that I did was probably this one. But that's good, man. I'm glad you guys liked the video from Traversy Media. Definitely had a lot of fun doing that video. How long have you been programming? Direct answer, but everyone can answer. I've been programming for 4 years now. It's been pretty much exactly 4 years since I started university. And that was when I started coding. Hayden, it charges you every month, but it only so it charges you every month, but it only will accumulate cost every hour. So if you destroy the droplet, it's not gonna add up. If you're gonna be a game dev using Unity, yeah, that's pretty much the. I might start off with Java first, and I'll get into Unity. I'm not sure. Like I've tried Unity a couple times. It was just really confusing to me. But it was also because I never really cared too much to really like learn it like, you know, thoroughly. Like, you know, that was the same thing when I was learning Flutter too, and then I took a little different approach and I liked it a lot. I hate CSS too, man. Everyone does. I don't think one person really genuinely loves it. I mean, maybe some people do, but I don't know. So so pay as you use. Yes, you only pay for what you use. If you made games, I would pay to play it. So if I made a garbage game, you would still pay for it. If I made a bad game, would you still pay for it? You would? Well, that's good to know. I'll let you know when I release my garbage game. Alright, let's actually get some stuff going on over here. So, we need a height of 100 VH. So this is going to give us a nice scroll bar. Now, I'm going to disable the scroll bar. I forgot how to do that, so I'm going to look it up. So we want to remove the scroll bar, but we don't want to we want to keep the functionality. So let's see. Let's do this. Does that work? Nope, it didn't. Let's see. You try 100%. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know the exact reasoning, but sometimes it just doesn't work. Yes, it's not. It got rid of it. I think there has to be something that I'm not knowing. But yeah, like sometimes I just. I need to start building something else. I have like 12 bot lil. All right, let me see. Hold on. God damn it! I have so many tabs open. It's pretty annoying to keep track of everything. Okay, well this seems to not work for some reason. example, do I need to do this, maybe? Nope, still not working. What could be the reason? I've done this before. I'm trying to remember, where did I do it before? Shit. I'm trying to remember. God damn it. Maybe I'll do it somewhere else. Alright, have a good one. Have a good one, guys. Take it easy. Can you make a video on how to make a login system with JS or PHP? Yeah, that's the plan at some point. There we go. Alright, there we go. So I have to do it with the body tag rather than this one. Alright, there we go. That's awesome. Alright, now let's give it a nice background. I'm not sure what color background we could possibly do. Maybe Prussian blue. I don't know. We can always change it up if we don't like it. This looks really ugly. This looks really ugly. Box. Box. I need this nav bar to hover over. So I don't think it will though. Yeah, this is the annoying part. How can I get the nav bar to hover over? That's gonna be a really annoying thing to figure out. Mostly because, let's see. How can I do that? Sticky? Yeah, like I want it to be like, you know, be on top. Position sticky. Oh, yeah, I can try, but I don't think that's what I want. I can try. Cause that sticks though. Like I want it. Oh shit! It does work. What does position sticky do? Cause I thought position sticky was gonna stick to it. You know, like it would just stay. Like if I scroll, it's going to stick there. You know what I mean? Like look over here. It's supposed to do this effect. Like it's supposed to stick to it. But why is that not working though? Like for some reason, if I scroll down, like it's not there. Is that because oh, that's the navigation bar. Ah, okay. So if I were to scroll in the navigation bar, oh, I see. Okay, no, yeah. Okay, I think I get it. It's because but that's so weird though. I'm not gonna question it too much. All right. Yeah, I don't really like this color. If I'm being completely honest. There has to be a better color, maybe. We can always, you know, change it up too. But yeah. Yeah, by the way, if you guys aren't in my Discord server, I'm gonna send you a link right now. You don't see what changed with the header? Okay, so look, let me show you. Look, what I wanted this nav bar. You see this drop shadow, right? You see this drop shadow? No, it didn't. Look, I'll show you. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of, where is it? Look, if I get rid of this, watch what happens. You see how it's not there anymore? So I wanted that to be on top, right? But for some reason, even if I set the index, it doesn't show. But for some reason, position sticky. Like you guys thought I probably wanted the nav bar to like to stay there as I scroll. That's not what I wanted. I wanted it to be over the top. But for some reason, that seemed to have worked. If I change it to block, that doesn't work as well. Or if I do z index. What if I did, let's see. That wouldn't work either. I'm a little bit scared that this might change something later. So, yeah, I'm not sure. I hope it doesn't mess anything up. Mess anything else, but okay. Let's see. What else do I want to do next? Let's see. Yo, what's up, Fract? How are you? I'm just playing around with some React. That's pretty much it. Okay. Let's see. What else can I do with this? I'll add 3 cards in the front. Watching videos is so crisp on this monitor, dude. It's good. What is this website for exactly? Well, right now we're working on the design. Like, I can't say too much because, you know, I'll tell you guys once the design is done. I just want to basically create a simple template that I can reuse later on, and then add functionality is what I'm trying to do. But yeah, for now it's just kind of like for fun. But I have some excitement that's gonna go along with it. I just don't want to say too much right now. But you guys, I'll reveal a little bit more about it, like little by little. But for now, let's go ahead and add some cards. I actually need to get a new monitor. I need to get a 4K monitor for my basically currently I have a 144 hertz monitor for gaming, but I need to get a new one. Set position fixed. Oh, that's horrible. Coding your own website is easy to make a website with Website Builder. Yeah, look, the styling is honestly the most annoying thing. Like, everyone knows that every single time I, like, start the stuff from scratch, like, I have to spend so much time just, like, you know, creating, like, a simple layout. And it honestly takes up so much of the stream, and I hate it, because I just want to get into the fun stuff. Like, I want to get into, like, the more complex shit, you know what I mean? But, like, yeah, it's annoying, but, you know. I'm not the best designer out there, so. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys remember, so a while ago, I actually bought a domain on stream from Namecheap, and basically I wanted to make an app where people can actually look for devs, and they can use GitHub to log in. And so, I actually ended up refunding the domain, because, I kind of abandoned the idea, but I think I'm gonna go back to the idea right now. So, yeah. I know I told everyone on stream about it, so I don't know if anyone actually implemented it though. But it does seem like a fun project that would look good on my resume in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm trying to like do, I guess, in a sense. Try to set top 0. Nope. But yeah, hopefully I can get pretty far into this app today. I'm probably gonna be on for maybe another hour or 2. So right now, yeah, this is just the main page is really gonna be the annoying part, just like all the styling and stuff. Well, why would I do top 0 though? So like I don't want this to look. I don't want it like that. Like if I scroll, I don't want the navbar to follow it. I just want the navbar. Look, the reason why I did this is if I remove it, right? Look what happens. You see the drop shadow? It's not there anymore. I want the drop shadow there. Even if I set Z index, it doesn't work. So that's why I have position sticky. I don't want to do position sticky though, because that's not what I intended to do. But I really just wanted the drop shadow. Yeah, I see right over here. I just found it on Stack Overflow. It says that the z-index property works on positioned elements, so that's probably the reason why it didn't work. So, if I did absolute, maybe. Yep, if I did absolute, I'd probably have to do like a width 100% for this to work. Yeah, there we go. And now you have this part that's like it's just shadowing over. So, and that's not what I want. Oh, wait, I could have just done position relative. Okay, that's even better. That's even better. I don't need to use sticky. Alright, that's good. Yeah, I literally just Googled it on, okay. Alright, so, yeah, now we just need to design the freaking landing page, which is gonna be annoying. So, god damn it. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna see how fast can I speed through this shit, because this is gonna... this is probably the most annoying part. Alright, let's see. So, let's have a card, or maybe not a card, but rather, I kind of like the design of Code Ring. Like, it's simple. So, if you look over here, I had this, like, little... I actually drew this. It's not SVG. I actually drew this out in Photoshop. I like it. There was actually supposed to be another image over here, right over here on the right side, but I couldn't put it up there due to copyright, because I didn't buy a license for the image, and I didn't give credit anywhere yet. So... I don't know. Like, I kind of like the design of it, though. Grid and Flexbox? Yeah, I love Grid and Flexbox. They're amazing. Okay. Let's see. What I want to do next is, I have a card, maybe. Okay. See, I haven't really saw a lot. I haven't really had a chance to look through all of these different components. So you see, guys, Google helped ants to figure out how to remove a drop shadow. Yeah. The thing is, not everyone knows how to get into that mindset of Googling. It's a skill. It's a skill that comes naturally. Well, not naturally, but you know, over time when you know, the more you do, I guess. Okay. So do I really care so much about the front end, like the UI part over here? Not really, because I can always do that later. For now, I'll probably just add like a couple of cards, and just yeah, that's pretty much what I'll do. What's a call out? Oh, I see. Ooh, I think I have an idea. All right, let me do this. Let me do this. So I have 4 cards. I only want 3 for now. And what I'll do is I'll wrap this inside a div. Is there a box? It's probably a box component. Or like a wrapper. Container. Ah, there we go. Container. All right. Yep, we have a container. So this will actually do it, it'll like actually make it responsive by default, I think. So we don't necessarily need to, so we can have a container, or we can have columns, rather. You should let me contribute on your website. What, this one? Why is it saying this? I hate. Okay, there we go. Alright. Okay, there we go. Code ring. Oh, code ring. After many rages and sixer, you become a pro Googler. Yeah, that's pretty much how it is. That's pretty much how it is. All right, so I only wanted. Let's see. I don't want a box, but I wanted a card. I wanted a card. So. Yeah, I haven't really done much with code ring for like the past who knows how long. It's been a while since I've touched it. I had some updates that I needed to make to the website, but yeah. Alright, so we'll do I think 3. I think by default it's now why is it I want it to be full width. Okay, no, that's why not doing it. Wait, what's the span of it? Let me see. What's the max a column can be? 12. Okay, so let's do 4. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to change the width of this to 80%. So there you go. And if I resize this, okay, there we go. Now I think there's a way that we can make it so that based on the viewport, we can actually, yeah, offset. I think that's what it was, offset. Maybe not offset, but let's see. There we go. Spread mobile. Okay. So spread mobile will do probably. Now I want it. I don't like it. I want it to do it. I want to do it when it like reaches this part. There has to be like a property. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Spread desktop. There we go. Amazing documentation. Yo, I like this UI library. Like UI libraries that have good documentation are amazing. And watch this if I do this. Yep, there we go. Let's see. I wonder if we can customize it. If we can't, then it's fine because we can always just use a media query. This is why you still need to, you know, learn CSS. Now let's see. All right, so if I do this. I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah. Oh, I think it is working. I think it is working. Because it's 1920 width, right? Spread is for effect. Okay. Is it working? Okay, there we go. I think it's working. Yeah, I think it's working. Alright, yeah, we still need a media query for it though. Well, yeah, we can't full like at some point we'll definitely need media queries. Like this one will do it automatically because the columns like it wraps everything, okay. But we still need our media query to make it so that this is full width, which is not too hard. Like but I want to make it so that like at least for this itself, it's gonna span full. Yeah, I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, we'll leave it like this for now. Now obviously I can just change this to like 100. And you'll start to see that if I, you know, change just a little bit, it'll do that. Yeah, I think it's working perfectly. So I'll change this back to 90. Or maybe I'll do 70. There we go. Yeah, 70. And then we'll make a media query so that, I wonder if there's a way that you can do it for columns though. Maybe you can set columns props. Let's see. Oh shit, we can. Okay, let me do that instead. Let's see. Spread. I don't think. I think that's only columns.column. Yeah, it's only for. Yep. Let's see. Min breakpoint. Oh, I see. So, but yeah, I think we probably will need a media query for this. Okay, that's fine. I'll do this. Class name. Landing page columns wrapper. You have been streaming for 100 minutes. Hasn't even felt like that, to be honest. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's see. Yo, Anson, I just saw you on the Traversy channel. Let's say, yo, thank you, Neon Bass. I don't know if you're still here, but thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oh, what happened to the webcam? I turned it off for a little bit. I mean, I can turn it back on. I don't really mind. Alright, I'll turn it back on. Alright, there we go. It's just that lighting is so bad in my room, man. Like, it's just so bad. Like, I wish I had a brighter light. Should I move it all over here? Because, like, you have, like, my photo icon on the bottom. That's covering it, so I think this would be better. But yeah, it's, like, really dark. Like, you can't even see shit over here. Like, you can't see shit. You can't see anything. Holy shit. It's like really freaking dark, so you can't even see anything. I probably need to move my light closer at some point. Oh yeah, you can't see anything. It's just so dark. Nope, it's still dark. Yeah, it's like really. I can't really fix it too much. I think this is probably better. What do you guys think? Is it better? I'm gonna look at it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not that bad. Okay. So basically, what I want to do is a media query. So when the max width is, let's see. Well, it's basically whenever this thing spreads, or well, yeah, when that thing, so it's 1440 pixels according to the documentation. It says spread full HD is for 1440p pixels. And so what we'll do is we'll reference that and we'll change the width to 100%. So now if I... Hold on. There we go. See how like it just goes full width? That looks a lot better. Anson, what hours do you work on your full-time gig? 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sometimes, yeah, it's usually 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. usually. Can one code a, for example, robot arm in Java? Yes, you can do that. You can definitely do that in Java, but you probably you could definitely do it in Java. I think most people also do not JavaScript, C++ as well. Where do I work? Well, I won't say what company, but like, let's just say that I work as a full-time developer. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. The font is just really bad. Like, the font is just does not pop out. Maybe it might be because of the navbar. I don't know, but I just don't like the font. It's too small, like really. And even if I change the font size, it just doesn't look good. It just doesn't look good in general. Yeah, I'm currently working from home. I'll be working from home for a while. Like it's like we're not going back to the office until like next year because of COVID-19. So I'm very lucky. Put a gradient on the nav bar. You think a gradient will look nice? Subtle fade. Okay, so yeah, I don't want this to be too tall though. I actually want this to be a little bit more on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see, we have the columns. I think right outside over here I'll have another div. And I want some content above it. Yep. And this is probably where our logo is gonna be. I don't have a logo, if I'm being honest. I need to get a logo. You should change the webcam. What do you mean? Like, change the angle? It's just my light is really bad. So I feel like it's just in the way, you know, because like you can't really see it. You can't really see much, so it's kind of just in the way. I'm just gonna turn it off. The shape? Everyone hates the shape for some reason. I don't know why. Everyone hates the shape. You guys really don't like the circle? Almost 6K subs. Yeah, we're almost there. Hey man, look, maybe by this year I'll make it a goal to hit 10K. Who knows? I don't know. I don't think we'll hit 10K by this year, but you know I'm gonna keep uploading, so we're gonna make it happen. That's the goal. It's either this year it happens, or if it doesn't, it'll probably happen very early next year. But you know it doesn't really matter too much. I just want to keep posting videos. And, you know, if people like it, then you know they'll subscribe. Dude, I got some good music playing right now. We got some Tyler the Creator, one of my favorite rap artists out there. Not even just rap, just like music in general. He makes really good music. I just love his shit. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna turn off the webcam because it's like in the way. If I'm being honest, it's like you guys can't even see much, so I'm just gonna like turn that off. Can't tell if we were supposed to hear it. We aren't. Yeah, you guys can't hear it because it's um have it muted. That's why if I unmute it, I'm gonna get copyright claimed. So I can't play music like that. But I'm listening to Glitter by Tyler the Creator. If you guys want to listen along, here's the link to the song. Alright, I want to add a nice effect to this card, so when you hover over it, it'll look nice. Now, I need this to toggle. There we go. Okay, so basically for this card, I want to add a class for this class name. And what I want to do is every single time I hover over it, it's going to give a box shadow. Now I know there's a way to do it using queries. I forgot how to do it, but I'll have to probably look up an example. Does this work? I don't think it did. I can't really see the Huh. Well, that's weird. I mean, maybe I can do it through Oh, I see. Shadowed. but you can barely even see the shadow though. You can barely see the shadow. Like, it's there, but it's very, very dim. Let me do this. Nope. Still not working. No idea why. Like, you can see that there's a shadow, but yeah, I think there's already a shadow there, but you can't really see it. I might need to manually override it. That sucks. Yep, there you go. Right over here. Let's see now if I change it, there we go. Now this is coming from CSS. This one right over here. It's coming from this. Yeah, so I'll need to probably modify this class, which I really don't want to, because personally I'm just not a fan of what if I just got rid of the shadow itself? There shouldn't even be a shadow there. Like, there shouldn't even be a shadow, because like I didn't even add a variant, so why is there a shadow? That's very weird. Like, there's still a shadow for some reason, even though. Yeah, I'm not too sure, if I'm being honest with you. Yeah, this sucks. I really want to make it so that when you hover over it, like it'll, like the box shadow will, like the size of it will increase, so you have like a nice smooth hover effect. But for some reason, I need to add another class, so that kind of sucks. Okay, so I know that colors are working fine for this, but like background color works fine. Try applying it directly to the column. Maybe you're right. Ah, you might be right. Nope. Yeah, no, it's an actual like element itself that wraps around it, so I can't do it on the column itself. It has to be the card. Yeah, I don't know. Very weird. Very weird. Let's see. I still want to change this navbar color. It just still feels very weird to me. I can edit everything but the box shadow. I think with the box shadow I need to edit something else. Yep, you see it? It's appearing over there. But it's being overridden. So it's working, so mine is working, but it's not being like applied. So even if I use the important, not too sure why. But that's very frustrating. So I can't custom. This is a downside of using, you know, your own CS. I mean, look, I could just honestly create my own cards. Like, I don't need to use this. I could just create my own cards, if I'm being honest with you. It wouldn't be that hard. Which I might honestly do. But for now, we won't worry too much about it. So what I'm going to do now is, let's see. And I'm going to give each card, like, a different color. So maybe this one will be red. Like that. Or like where? Right over here? Nope. I don't think it's working. It's fine. It's whatever. I'll probably just end up creating my own card if I'm being honest with you. Anyways, let's see. Moving on. I still don't like this nav bar color. This is not a bad color. Now the background could definitely use some work. The background seems really weird. I think this is somewhat better. And then we'll change the fonts later too. It's kind of hurting my eyes if I'm being honest with you. It's so bright. I think this is better. I kind of like the nav bar like that, if I'm being honest with you. Maybe a darker flavor of that color would look a little bit nicer if we like darkened it a little bit. Not too sure. I think this looks okay. What do you guys think? It's kind of like really dark, so you can definitely see the drop shadow though. But then the background doesn't really like look too nice with that nav bar color though. So we'd probably have to do like something a little bit, just a little bit lighter. Now it just looks weird. What do you guys think? You actually think it looks good? I don't want you to actually just say. I want to like brutal honesty. You know, you don't. It's okay if it looks bad. You can say it looks bad. You know, like I don't mind, because it can always be improved. You know. Like we can always improve it. Maybe this color over here doesn't makes it look bad. I don't know. I think maybe maybe we need like a more darker color. Yeah, the red looks really bad. Dark purple. Nah, this looks bad. That looks horrible. That looks horrible. What would be a good color that could pop out, like with a like a dark background? Maybe like a light purple. That would look really weird. Yeah, that's really weird. We need something like neon, I think, right? Something neon. The same color as the header. I could. That's a good idea. Nah, that looks really bad. The background doesn't look nice with that. We could probably have to change the background a little bit, make it look a little bit, you know. But then that now the entire thing looks weird in general. Okay. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's not the end of the world, right? It looks okay. Maybe we just need to change the font too, but yeah, I don't know. I like the background because it's darker rather than just having it like white, you know? Let's see. Alright, now I'm gonna add a fake div over here. This is just gonna be a placeholder for now. But realistically, this like the logo should be here. Like we would have like an image right up top over here. But yeah, you know, I'm obviously gonna change this later on. Like I just want something there for now that's present. You know, it's not gonna be the end of the world. Now we need a little bit of padding, not padding, like a margin top, 20 pixels. There we go. I hate having to do import for everything, but sometimes you just need to do it. So yeah, I want like a little nice. Yeah, so maybe we'll have like the main text, and then you'll have like the cards over here, and when we scroll down, there'll be more stuff over here too. So Yeah, I think it's okay. Like, I kind of like it, if I'm being honest. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I'm still streaming. Okay, yeah, the font definitely needs to go. Let's change the Jost and let's see. Font. I don't know, I mean, font looks really weird if I'm being honest. Actually, it kind of looks a little bit better because if I change the size of it, it looks a tad bit better. But I hate that it changes the font size for everything. Like, for example. Font size. I see. It's probably already. Alright, there we go. Find a developer. Alright, that works, and then we can go over disappear. I like putting my classes in like order of like how they appear in like the DOM. That makes sense. Size 40 pixels. Yeah, that's too big. That looks not. That's pretty weird size. I think this is better. Don't want it too big. And then I kind of actually like the colors, to be honest with you. I'm starting to like it. I don't like that these cards don't have such a large shadow. That's the only downside that I hate. Now let's go inside here. Font size. Now let's see. 20 pixels. Okay, well, let's change this up a little bit. 18 pixels. I think that's a little bit better. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about it? Maybe this. I can change it to 22. I think this is good. You guys can let me know. I just don't like the font. I don't like it for this top part though. Let me do this letter spacing. Maybe it just needs a little bit more spacing between. You know what I mean? Because it's just so it just looks so jumbled up. You know. Let's see. Let's go into link. I think that looks a little bit better. So I think the default was 18, 24, 22. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot better now. Like, it looks more like visually appealing, you know? Before it was really small, now it's like, you know, it looks a lot better. Now, oh shit. There we go. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. I like it. I don't know about you guys, but I like it. So this is 60, so let me do this. Min height is going to be... So okay, now, the reason why I did this is because I subtracted the height of the nav bar. So I can't scroll now. Like, I'm trying to scroll right now. I can't scroll. Okay, so that's good. Don't want to scroll if you don't need to. I feel like this font over here could be a little bit bolder. Maybe this part could be a little bit bolder. So what I can probably do is base custom card key font size. Let's do 22 pixels. I want to see what that looked like if I increase the font size. It seems like it's not working for some reason. Maybe it's because I already set up there already. That's probably the reason why. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna do font weight bold. I don't think that'll do anything. It might be because I don't have the actual yeah, for some reason, like, these styles don't want to be set inside here. Base custom card. Oh, I mean, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Because I don't have a paragraph in there. Oh, yeah, I don't have a paragraph in there. That makes sense. Alright, let me add a paragraph. It looks a bit weirder now, but... we do bold, maybe. Okay, there we go. Now, it looks... It pops out a little bit more. I don't know. I kind of don't like it, but it was just too light. You know, it was just too light. For some reason, oh wait, I did font family. It should be font size. What if I got rid of the bold? Yeah, it shouldn't be bold, but it should be just a little bit bigger. I don't know, maybe this font isn't the best for this one, but I could be wrong. Just leave it for now. Make the title orange. The title, like this part over here, you guys think I should make it orange? Let's see, let's find out. Burnt Sienna, let's see what that looks like. What do you guys think? I don't know about orange, it kind of looks a little bit weird, like that orange particularly. What about this orange? This one's a little bit brighter. I think this orange is okay, but I don't know. I don't think orange is the color though. I feel like we definitely need like some neon. But I don't think orange is the color, if I'm being completely honest. Let me see. Because, like, we have dark blue, right? What if we did something like a light blue? What if we did light blue? Hear me out. What if we did light blue? What do you think about this? Like, we have a shade of blue, and then we have a light blue. What do you think? Like, we have Prussian blue. I think the blue would be better than orange. I don't think orange is the answer. Maybe if it was like... I don't know. It reminds you of Java. That's funny. That's funny. I feel like there's too much blue. You think so? What about purple? We can't do a dark purple, though. We'd have to do like a light purple. I think the purple could work, though it needs to be just a little bit lighter. Like it needs to just pop out. Like it needs to be neon, because we have too much dark colors. We need something that's like gonna just pop out, you know. Like this purple looks really dry. Like we need like a neon purple, like something that's gonna catch someone's eye, catch their attention. Complementary. I need something that's neon. Can I change? Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Steel pink. Let's see what this is about. Like, you look at it, like something like that, something that's just gonna pop out, you know, like I think this looks good. Maybe not the right color, but you guys get what I mean, right? You need something that just like pops out. Like this, I think this is good. I think this is good. I think this is good. Maybe try making a light shadow. We could try that. Do you save the streams to your channel? Yes, most of the streams I do save it to the channel. I could probably put a logo instead of like text. What is it called for white? Yes. What color do you think the drop shadow should be? Or the text shadow? Two to four. Nah. Text shadow. I don't think the text shadow would look nice. Yo, what's up, Galsami? What's up, man? How are you? Bruh. I keep confusing it. Oh, God. Yeah, the font weight. I think we need to go back to Google Fonts and let's see, just. I might need to import all of them if I want a thicker color. How do I select all? I just want to select all of them. Can it let me select all of them? No, it's not gonna let me do that. That's unfortunate. Why does my wrap keep changing, man? Like, hold on, wait a minute. What the fuck is this? Oh, there we go. Thank you. Jeez, that was annoying. Alright, there we go. And now I can go ahead and, let's see, go back here. Font weight 300. And that should change. It's still not changing, though. Font weight, let's see. I do have 300, I do. Just 300. Let's do 500. There we go. That's a little bit too thick. I don't know. I think it's a little bit too thick. Oh wait, what the hell? Whoa, wait. Oh shit. I think everything got changed. That's not what I wanted. That's not good. I definitely do not want that. I think it's because we did font family Jost. And like, I think the main one. Oh, I see. Alright, let me do this. Font weight. Let's set it to 300. For everything. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is actually bad. I don't want that. I think I'll leave it like this. Use Poppins, it's good. I've seen it before. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Maybe I can make this login button a little bit darker. It actually looks quite nice if I'm being honest with you. It actually looks quite nice. Poppins. All right, I'll look into it. I've tried it once before. I know someone suggested it to me, but I don't know. I don't think it was the one. If I'm being honest, like I've used it before, I just don't think it was the one. Back, LOL, couldn't sleep. Yo, welcome back, man. I think so far looks okay. I think, right? I kind of want to change the title to match this color, if I'm being completely honest. Alright, I need to close my Discord because there's just too many tabs open. And I can't be asked to... Alright, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on, let me do this. Because I have my terminal open too. I'm going to go ahead and just use this. It's so annoying. Holy damn, hell, a lot happened, yeah. Alright, here we go. I feel like there could still be a better color than purple, if I'm being completely honest. I'm not sure what color it is. Maybe a red. Rusty red. Got rusty red or crimson. Something that I think maybe red might be a little bit better. Let me try. No, it's not good. Adjust palette. Let's make it super bright. Saturation. We want it super bright. Something that just pops out, you know? It's weird. Oh, I need to adjust it for every single one. That sucks. It looks awesome. LMFAO. What color is this? Oh, white? That's just a white, though. I kind of want to change this color a little bit different, you know? Like, it needs to pop out a lot more. What about this? I think this is a good color. FF314C. I think this is good, too. It just can't be white. Like, it needs to be a different color. Alright, awesome. Okay, awesome. So, alright. So, we haven't added much functionality. I'll leave it like this for now. You're not feeling the red against the blue? You don't think the red against the blue is good? Orange is definitely not the answer, too. Neither is purple. I don't think purple is the answer either. And neither is light blue either, because light blue just like blends in with this, you know, it just camouflages. A neon green. I mean, it's not bad. Well, that's not even that green. It's too, I don't know how to describe it, like. There has to be a better color that looks more eye appealing. It's definitely not purple either. Purple's just too, no. Maybe pink. I think it has to be pink, I think. It has to be pink. Like a pinkish red. Neon blue. Well, we tried light blue. But it was just too blue, I guess, you know. It's too blue. Oh, I mean, it's fine for now. I want to focus on something else first in the meantime. Otherwise, we're going to be working on this forever. Let me actually increase margin. God damn it. You think the pink looked the best? I don't know. We'll have to go back to it later. I think this is okay for now. Pink. Yeah, we can worry about it later. I mean, yeah, the blue kind of looks really weird, if I'm being honest. Like, I think the pink looks a lot better. Yeah, design is really annoying, because it's all about satisfying, you know, the customer. You know? Like, let me look at this. Docker.com. Like... Well, okay, so look at their background, right? Look at their background. Like, it's a nice bluish color. We have a dark color. And they have, like, several different colors that complement, like, the white, which makes sense why they would have a white. I think this is a bad example, because their colors are more, like, brighter than ours. Let me see if I can find a better website. Oh, it's not the end of the world. Let's work on jobs now. Okay, so... Alright, so basically what I want the jobs page to have... did I fix the card issue? No, not yet. Not yet. I mean, I tried, but it didn't work out. I'm probably just going to make my own custom card, to be honest with you. Have you written JSX already once? Nope. Not once. I actually haven't even written that many files yet, to be honest. So that's why it hasn't really happened yet. That's the reason why. Alright, so the jobs page is going to need to follow the same colors, obviously. So I'm going to go over here, and we're going to do this. Jobs page, and we're going to have a class. We're also going to, I don't think we need to import it. Oh, wait, I can also just do this. Like, instead of importing the CSS over here, I can just go over here. I see, look, now it looks terrible. Right, it looks really ugly. But don't worry, we can just do import index.css. And there you go, that works. So we do that. Whoops. So we go from this. Okay, and then we do import. Whoops. My keyboard's bugging out for some reason. CSS. And there you go. So now all of our CSS is going to be in one file, which is good. Is it me, or why does... I don't know if it's just me, but why does... I don't know if it's just me, but this color feels darker. I don't know why. For some reason, not. It's probably just me. Alright, so now what I can do is I don't need to... Let me go to the jobs page now. Okay. So now we just need to do export jobs page. Okay. And let's see. What I want to do here is I want to go and just do a hello world for now. Hello world. And let's see. Let's just give it a quick style. Color white. Okay, and then we'll go over to app.tsx. Instead of landing page, it'll be the jobs page. Alright, there we go. So now, you can see the hello world. Oh, wait, this is a way back. Oh, wait, did I apply the class yet? I don't think I did. Nope. Class name, jobs page. I mean, so it'll have the same, it'll inherit like the same colors. Yeah, that looks okay. And I'm gonna name this to jobs right over here. The route, sorry. That's what I meant. So jobs. And in the nav bar, we're gonna have to do slash jobs. Like that. There you go. Looks good. Make the button BG the same color as the title. You mean as a nav bar or? Oh, you're talking about this? Let me try. What do you guys think? What's the property to text transform? I don't know, it looks Yeah, I didn't really like it either, if I'm being honest. You're talking about the button? I think the pink is okay here. I mean, we need a better color for this, because I don't think pink is the answer for this, but... I mean, at least for the top nav bar, I don't think that was the other color. Like, I think this looks nice, though. Like, you have, like, a nice blue color, and then you have a darker version of that. But then I can't put a dark color down here, because that would be just too dark. You know, you need to mix it up a little bit. Like... I mean, what if I, like, okay, so what if I did this? What if I took the card color and then changed that here, right? What would that look like? It would look terrible. We need a lighter color of that. So what I can do is I can probably move this just up a little bit. And let's see. But that looks really weird. Like it's a variant of this, but it just doesn't feel right, you know? I think this is probably better. What do you guys think? I think this is better. What is the project say? We're just working on some styling, really. What do you guys think? You think this color is better? I think it fits in with the theme, if I'm being honest. Like, it's not too blue. torn. I don't think it's that bad, but I think the background is really what makes this color bad, if I'm being honest with you. I don't think it's a bad color, I just think the background is bad. But I really like the layout of it so far, so I can't really complain about that. Okay, so this jobs part, so basically what I want this page to do is I want to show all of the available, jobs, you know? So like for example, what I want to do is so I think maybe we can let guests view jobs, but in order to actually post a job, you need to basically click login, right? You need to log in, and you basically just need to say, hey, look. But now I'm gonna make it so that you can log in with GitHub or your local account. So here's what I'm gonna do. I think I'll make it for GitHub because intentionally the project idea was explicitly for GitHub. In case you guys don't know, you can actually get a GitHub README. So let me show you an example. Let's see. Over here. So you can actually get a README. I don't know where's mine. Oh, I need to change the repository name. Give me one sec. Let me change the name real quick. So yeah, basically you get a README, and the idea was that you log in with GitHub. Your README is going to be here, and it's going to take that README, and it's going to show it on your profile, and then you can apply to jobs directly with that profile. But it's not going to show the README. It's going to show a bunch of things, such as, you know, the amount of repositories you have. It's going to show like a chart and everything, so they can see your profile. The whole intention of this app was to make it easy to apply for like job listings and stuff. It's not entirely going to replace like, you know, corporate findings like your LinkedIn, because you still need to send in a resume. But if, let's say for example, if you need a developer, for a quick job, you can use this. And we can also find ways to monetize the app too. So we can make it free, but we can also provide premium features that people can pay for. So like, you know, if you pay for this, you'll get a you know, a more advanced way of searching, I guess, for things like that. I'm not sure. But how can I make it feel that has a validation? I mean, like, it will show text saying the password is too short. You hide the text that you want to show, and you only show it whenever the password is too short. So that, I think you're using the onChange function for that. So since, if assuming that you're using onChange, once the password is too short, or once they click submit rather, you can toggle it, and you can remove it once they fix everything. Like once it goes back to underneath the amount of characters that you're saying that it's invalid, you can remove it from the DOM. So assuming you're using React, you can easily do that using use state or set state. How do you get 770 commits? That's not commits, that's contributions. But yeah, all right. Let's design the jobs page first. We're not gonna do the backend today. I only want to do front end stuff real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna have a login page now. Let's see. I'm also gonna create a login page. And I think we'll definitely use GraphQL for this. If it fits GraphQL, I think we'll have to use GraphQL. I'm not sure entirely, but I'm excited. I think the next project I'll do is maybe I'll do Angular next. I'm not sure. I know some people here would definitely love Angular. All right, I want to design the login page right now. So this is gonna have to navigate you to the login page. Now we're gonna have to do this programmatically. So on click. Points partially. Yeah, I was literally pointing like mainly to you. All right, so God damn it. What's going on here now? What is this? Yo, what is this? Let me Google it. Well, I mean, I do have the export right over here. What? Why is it doing this? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, and I didn't even change anything though. Like, I still have the export. I still have the export here. This is so annoying. I'm just gonna set this to false because I know what I'm doing. The compiler doesn't. So I don't know why it's doing that. All files must be modules when isolated modules like this. Jesus. Like, I didn't even change anything though. This is pretty annoying if I'm being honest. I'm just gonna restart the app. Fuck it. Just gonna restart the app. This is really obnoxious if I'm being honest. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this. Like, what file is it explicitly talking about? Is it talking about this? Because I have export function jobs page. Okay. Oh, it's talking about this. God damn it. Can't believe I didn't even realize that. Jesus Christ. Alright, there we go. Const. Yeah, this should be fine. So would it be best to use an array or each individual array used? I mean, that's up to you. Alright, well, it's... What is it talking about? Index.tsx. Oh my god. Alright, that's really stupid, but whatever. You can use either an object or you can use an individual property for each. I actually misread what you said at first, but yeah, you can use an object or an individual for each. Okay. Okay, good. So what I wanted to do is right over, where is it? Not here. Oh, navigation bar, yes. What I want to do is I wanted to do this. Now, I probably should type this. Okay, and the reason why this is not working is because right over inside here, well, I do have the navigation bar. I think I need to move this inside the switch. Okay, no. Well, that's weird, because I have navigation bar. Props. Let's see. What is props? Minor connection is trash. Why is props not being let's see. We have the router. Am I missing something here? You know what? I'm just gonna look at my old code. I should have it somewhere in my bit bucket. Let me see. Okay, so oh wait, I didn't pass in props. That's why. Cannot find name props. Wait a minute. No, I don't think I need to explicitly just pass the props. It should just be passed in though. But I don't know why the it's outside the switch. This is very annoying. Can you run a speed test for us? I actually don't even have the app on my desktop. I would, but it would show my IP, so. Well, let me run it right now. Here's what I'll do. Hey, question. I'm using this for Discord dashboarding working. What do you mean? What do you mean by it's not working? You have to be more descriptive than that, bud. Like, I can't tell you what the issue is if you don't tell me what is it that it's not working. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Let's see. There you go. That's my speed right now. Alright, have a good night, Galsami. Take it easy. Yeah, I have Fios right now, which I think we pay for gigabit Ethernet. So I mean, I think I'd be okay if I had like half of that, to be honest with you. But like whenever I upload videos, it just uploads in like a second. But that's not even the biggest issue though. The biggest issue is that YouTube takes forever to process the video, which is pretty annoying. But you know, what can you do about it? You know. Is there any problem am I facing? What do you mean? Like, is there any problem am I facing? That's very vague. What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, I mean, one problem I'm facing right now is I'm not sure why my props are not being shown over here when it should be. I'm not sure why. That's very weird. Let me see if I can figure that out real quick. So I did take in the props. Okay, I did take in the props, but like I have navbar over here. I have app wrapped in between navbar. So what could be the issue of why props is it's not there? That's very strange. Very strange. And I don't think this would be much of an issue. If I'm being honest, actually it is. But it's very weird why the props are not showing. It's saying history is undefined. I'm pretty sure I did this correctly too, but it's very annoying. Let's see. Let's see. What should I do? Have side jar navigation bar switch with every single route. Okay, that shouldn't be an issue. Navigation bar is also wrapped inside here. Let's see. Index.js. Now we have router. Oh, wait, maybe I need to wrap router between everything. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Or maybe that might have fixed it. If it did, that's really dumb. Okay, yeah. Why is that not fixing it though? That's very weird. We have browser router as router. Okay, that's imported. That's wrapping everything. Okay, good. It's wrapping everything. Anson uploads a 1.5 long hour video. Yeah, like literally, like the video that I uploaded on last week. I think it was Friday. I don't remember when I uploaded, but the video I uploaded last week. It took like about. I knew it was gonna take a while for it to process, and actually from now on, when I upload longer videos, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna schedule it, because everyone's been complaining about like the quality, like it's being in like 360p. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload it, and I'm gonna schedule the video. So after like an hour of it has been uploaded, it's going to like be in HD, because I know everyone's like saying, why is this video in 360p? The thing is, I'll never upload a video, you know, lower than 1080p. If I do, I'll actually delete everything and then re-upload it. If I record a video accidentally in 720p, I'll re-record it, you know, unless if it's like a really long video. Actually, even if it was like an hour-long video, I would still re-record it. Like, I'm not gonna upload a 720p video on my channel. But I do want to get a 4K monitor, not a 4K, like a 1440, like a 2560 by 1440p monitor, because the one that I currently have right now, like I want a larger resolution for my main monitor, because I use only two. I use like the I have an Asus VG240QE, which was my main gaming monitor. Like if I play games like Overwatch or CS:GO or Minecraft, I'll use this monitor. Like right now, like the monitor that I'm streaming on right now is like my main monitor right now. The resolution is only like 1080p. I want like a larger version. Anson does anything for his viewers, not gonna lie. I mean, I would say, you know, it's anything for improvement, really. Like, you know what I mean? Like if I see value, and if I think that it'll improve, like, you know, the video quality, or like, you know, the channel quality or things like that, then I'll definitely always take into consideration. You know, yeah, I'm always down for that. I don't know why this is giving me an issue though. It's so weird. Did I do something wrong? I must have done something wrong. Let's see. I'm not sure why. It's so weird. Sometimes, I don't know, man. Sometimes React confuses the hell out of me. It's very weird stuff. Very weird stuff. Like I have it repeating router. What could be the issue? I have navigation bar. Okay, but like look right over here. Let me try something. Okay, yeah. So something's wrong. Something's wrong. For some reason, the router is not wrapping the props. For some reason, even though that should work, it's not working as intended. And I feel like this is gonna be one of those bugs that is gonna take literally forever to figure out, because it's probably something that I'm missing somewhere that I just don't know about, which is really, really annoying. Let's see. Alright, well, let's Google. React router props not passed. What could be the issue? What could be the issue? Let's see, what do these guys say? I don't think React router got updated recently, so I really don't think I need to change much code, really. Because it should just work. Because I know like it works the way it is, but unless if like something got changed, I don't know. Like, okay, we have component. Okay, good. We have the path. Good. Landing page. Oh, wait, no. That should still work though, because like I have it right over here. Like the navigation bar should have the props. Let me do this. Let me go inside jobs page. Let me console log props. Okay, so for some reason that works, but for some reason the navigation bar doesn't, and that's a problem because Well, let's see. Let me look at the navigation bar here. Do I take in props in here? I don't. Okay. I don't take in props there, but I think I could probably pass it. No, the only way it would work is if I wrap this inside here. But even then, this is not going to render it for some reason. I don't know why. It doesn't. I mean, maybe I could probably, like, put it out here, but I think it would look horrible if I put it out here. Alright, have a good night, Tenet. Take it easy. Okay, I mean, this still works. This still works. Yo, welcome back, Hayden. How's it going? Alright, this works. I don't like it. It works. I don't like it, though. But it works. I don't know if this would actually... I don't know if this would actually, yeah, it won't actually log it. Like, we need to actually, render this inside here. But for some reason, if I do that, the routes won't show, which sucks. So, how can I fix this? Let me see. I know there was something that I did. I gotta look at O-code. Like, let me give you guys one piece of advice. Never, ever, ever throw out any code that you write. Never throw it out. Because you never know when you're going to be using it. Okay, so let me go back to the React. What is a static router? Like, I don't think it'd be ideal if I did this. Like, I have two switches. Like, that wouldn't make much sense. I'm sure it would work, but, like, it just feels weird to have two switches, you know? I'm sure, like, there'll be more issues going on, like... Or maybe... I don't know. I just don't like this. There has to be a component that I can just wrap. Like, let me Google it. Let me Google it. All right. Let me see. All right, y'all have a go and acclimate. Take it easy. What do I want to do? React router wrap navbar. I'm trying to turn my bot, but I am using GitHub and link to VSC. I'm trying to know this. Well, I mean, you have the bot on your system, right? Does it? I mean, it should tell you like what happens. Like if you run the code, does it tell you any errors? Opens new line. That I'm not sure about. I would have to see like the actual code. I would have to see the actual code in order to tell what the issue is. But... What if I did this instead? I think this would probably be better if I did this. I know Python like the basics. Do you have any playlists I can watch? I mean, the only Python projects that I do have are Discord Pi stuff. That's it. And I'm sure at some point everyone gets bored of you know. Yeah, I don't know why this is not working. It's so weird. Like, I don't have any tutorials on Python though. Hayden, so you're yeah, so your bot is probably working, but your bot is probably working. It's just that you're not noticing it. Like I said, I need to see your code though. Yeah, I'm still live. I'm probably gonna get off at like 9 p.m. I'm gonna go eat dinner, take a shower, and then fall asleep. Not much, man. I'll show you what we've been working on though. Give me one sec. I'm just trying to figure out this issue. So weird. So weird. I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'll probably just have to wrap the nav bar right over here. Alright, let's see. Nope, I don't think this is working either. Yeah, that's very unfortunate. For some reason, it doesn't want to work. It's only gonna work if I do it here. But I don't want to use a switch here though, because that fucking looks really weird, having two switches. It should just work. I don't know why. I gotta ask in the React. I gotta ask in like the React. I'm gonna ask on the React Discord server, unless you guys know. I turn it off because like you guys can't even see anything because it's dark as shit. So I just turn it off. The class switch, I guess. I don't know the exact reason, but I honestly don't really know what the issue is. I posted a question on the. Let's see. I wonder that dummy text a real language. It's I think it's a. Fuck, I forgot what it was called. Pig Latin. Or Latin? I don't know. I think it's Latin, I think. Okay. Whatever, I honestly don't know. I'll have to figure out some point later, but it's very weird that the props won't show even though it's wrapped inside the router. Maybe it needs to be an actual component, but if I put this inside here, nothing will show. You know, which is annoying. Like, I definitely don't want that at all. You know. Hurricane? Yeah, there's a hurricane here in the United States. I think it's hitting, like, the south. So learning visuals Morse takes a day since it's easy. So I figured there was a coding lang in Morse. I was like, what the fuck? I'm packing to evacuate right now. Is it really that bad? I haven't looked much into it, so I don't know too much about it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. I'll figure it out later. I don't know why I need to wrap this inside a switch for it to work. It seems pretty stupid, but there has to be another component I can use. Or maybe I can do this instead. Maybe I can do this. What if I do this import? Will that give me an error? I hope not. And then maybe I can go inside. Let's see. Navbar. And let's look at the props real quick. Does it have history? Yes, it does. It does. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. So that seems to work. All right, awesome. I'm happy about that. I'm really happy about that. Yeah, because I really didn't want to like create another switch, so I'm glad this works. So now watch this. I can now click on this, and it'll take me to login. That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you. Holy shit. Damn, that's crazy, yo. I hope you guys are okay. If you guys are gonna be... Yeah, I hope you guys are gonna be okay. Like, that's crazy, man. Like, we had a hurricane here, but I don't think it was that bad compared to what is gonna hit in the south. So, damn, yeah, I hope, damn, that's crazy. It's really crazy. Alright, now I'm gonna go over here. And let's do, login page. So I want the login page, so I'm gonna get this class. There we go. For some reason, oh, whoops, dot login page. Alright, there we go. Now, why is that not working? Hello? Oh, it's because, well, hello, what, why is it not, showing? Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's because I don't have a route. Oh, I don't have a route for it, that's why. I don't have a route for it. Alright, let's add a route. So route path equal login. Exact equals true, and then component. We'll have to import login page. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, so, pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna make this look cool. So we're gonna use font awesome. Kansas is so boring. I don't suggest moving here. I'm probably gonna move to Texas or Arizona or Denver. Probably not now, but like maybe like in the future. Like I can't move obviously right now. I mean, I could move now if I wanted to because like I'm working from home, so I could technically work from like anywhere I want. But I'm probably gonna. I probably won't be able to do that until like, because I like right now my I'm based in New York for my work, so you know, no, I wouldn't move to Cali. Like I would definitely go there for vacation, but I wouldn't ever want to live in California though. It's nice, but I wouldn't live there. It's just too expensive there, you know. Like it's just really expensive over there. Like a house in Arizona is like 300K compared to New York. It's like 1 million here. All right, so I want to make a nice login, a form. Now I don't know if Bumbag has any nice input fields. Yeah, I don't think these are. I think this is really all there is to it. So, but hopefully they have form validation though, or not form validation though. Like they just have built-in forms. I know Chakra UI didn't have it, which really sucked. So we have a nice house for 353 rooms more. I'll have to look into it. I mean, I guess it depends on where in Cali though. Like if there was one place I would live in Cali, is probably I'd probably want to go to San Francisco, maybe like near San Diego. US is very cheap compared to where I live. I don't really like this. It's really ugly. I'll just make a login with GitHub if I'm being honest with you. But I'll show you something though. I don't like the font, but I'll have to change the color. What's semantic UI? Is that a library? Because I'm already using a library already. Let me look into it though. What does it look like? It actually looks pretty nice. I like it. It actually doesn't look bad at all. Maybe one day I'll use it. Maybe in my next project I'll use it. BRB. Okay. So, Notifies, what's up? How are you? I'm doing good, thank you. No, I got dinner. Are you new here, Notifies? I think I've seen your name before. Yeah, your name looks really familiar. Okay. So we're gonna use OAuth 2. So we're gonna use GitHub to log the user in. So that'll be nice. Okay. So let's fix this part. I'll create a simple mockup for you guys real quick. So this is jobs page. We're gonna need to make an API call to get all of the jobs that were posted. So essentially our jobs are gonna look something like this. It'll basically be an array of jobs. Simultaneously, I mean, really depends, man. Like, the question is, why would you want to do that? Can I not type this? Can I not type this? Would you say it's worth learning TypeScript for React? Just in general, like in general, TypeScript is good in general, you know. And no, it's not noodles. Just like in general, you know. Yeah, but it's not noodles though. Is TypeScript easy? Yes, it is very easy. It is very easy. There we go. only has 2 vids. About what? Who are you talking about? I'm like so confused because like you just said it out of nowhere. Oh, I see. Oh, I was like confused. If we got to commit to GitHub, that's good. I wonder who unlikes the vid every single time. You mean like dislike the stream? Yeah, I don't know. I have a hater. I got a hater. I got haters, bro. I got two more people dislike it. Damn. Yo, everyone just dislike. Yo, everyone just dislike the stream. Yo, everyone just dislike it. Everyone just dislike it. I'm gonna dislike it too. Everyone just dislike it. If you have a like, dislike it. Everyone just dislike it. It has 7 dislikes now. 10 dislikes. Jeez. 11 dislikes. Yeah, everyone just dislike the stream. Everyone. All right, let's do this. Okay, so essentially, you know, we're gonna have a couple jobs, and these are gonna be returned from the database. Okay. Now I wonder if Bumbag has pagination. I hope it does. If it doesn't, that's a huge deal. Oh, it does. Awesome. All right. Let's change up the IDs. I got here and we're talking about dislikes. Yeah, man. Getting the most dislikes is the new wave nowadays, you know? It's the new wave. Like, see, look, if you tell someone to like the video, they're gonna be like, nah, fuck that. I ain't gonna like the video. But if you tell someone to dislike the video, they'll actually do it. Because they're not asked to dislike videos so often that they're actually gonna do it. So, this is my first time on this channel. Do Anson stream often like this? What's his schedule? Danny, welcome to the stream, first of all. Yeah, I stream every single day. I try to stream every day. If I don't stream on a certain day, it's either because I'm, like, really busy or, like, I'm just, like, really freaking tired. But yeah, most, like, every single day, I try to stream every day. Weekends, I usually stream on weekends. Saturday, I like to stream early, like, very early. Like, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I stream for, like, a couple hours, 4 to 5 hours-ish. And yeah, I usually do streams where I code. Like, it's either I code, like, you know, React app, full stack. Either I code, I don't know, a mobile app. Like, I'm always open to doing new things. So, by the way, are you from Traversy's video? Like, are you from the video on Traversy's channel, or where did you how did you find my channel? Just curious. That's really cool. Looking forward for your stream. I like seeing someone else code and chat like this. Yeah, man. Like, I'm trying my best. You're from Traversy. Awesome, dude. Yo, like, yeah. A lot of people are from Traversy, so I'm glad that, you know, you guys are here. Bro, I miss the Zelda streams. Yeah, look, I'll be streaming more Zelda. I'll probably do it on Twitch, though, rather than YouTube. You know, I'll probably do it on Twitch. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But that's awesome, man. Like, you know, I welcome everybody to the channel, even if you're a hater. So, yeah. Alright, so let me show you what I want to do with this now. So I have my data. Now pretend like this is going to be fetched from a database. Right? It's going to be fetched from a database. And so rather than rendering everything on this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a component. Job item. And this is going to be an individual component that's going to basically just render the actual job. And it's going to be a card because that's like the easiest component to use. We can obviously style it however we want. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably have like a header somewhere. And so watch this. Let's see. Yo, what's up, Sahan? How are you? Let's see. I gotta change the music real quick. I gotta play some Tyler the Creator. Tyler the Creator. I'm gonna play Boredom. Let's see. Boredom. Yeah, this is a good song. This is his old album from like 2017, 3 years ago. Alright. Export const job item. And the nice thing I like about TypeScript with React is now I can actually type annotate. So I can do interface. So I don't even need prop types anymore. I can just do something like interface job item props, something like this. And I can type annotate like the job that's going to be posted. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and actually do this instead. So it's the source interfaces, and we'll do. How do I want to do this? No, why is he giving me this? Oh my god. Okay, so let's import that now. Okay, there we go. And what we're gonna do is job item props. We're only gonna take a job listing. So I can do this now. Okay. And so now for props, what I can do is I can type annotate this to job item props. Okay. So now I can do props dot job listing. And so what we'll do is we probably don't even need to set the state of this, if I'm being honest. This. I hate that it keeps doing this. Alright, there we go. Now for title, props dot. So now you're not gonna see anything, but don't worry. What's going on over here? Okay, so we're gonna go right over here, and we're just gonna conditionally render. So, jobs map. And we're just going to pass in job item. And now you can see there's an error, right? Because it's missing the prop. So we're gonna pass in now. If I save, you see it says all of our items right over here. Purple ground, what's up? How are you, man? Your name looks really familiar. I think I've seen you before. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now I could also just destructure this too. Is there a way in TypeScript to destructure like this? How can I destructure this? Oh, there we go. Like that. I can just do that, right? Okay, there we go. And let's see. We'll change the color, don't worry. We'll add some style later. Now in the card, I want actions. So, fortunately, we can actually add actions over here. If I do it maybe right over here. So, or I can do it down here, like a footer. Let's do, I think I'll do a footer instead. Yep, right over here. Yeah, I love this song so much. Yo, this song is so nice, man. I'm gonna listen to it again. Let's see, footer. And we want action buttons. I hate how it always imports it from a styles library. I'm gonna be honest, you're one of the only people I have subbed to. Your videos are very educational. I think it deserves so many more subs. Keep on doing what you're doing, please. Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate it. That's really nice to hear. But yeah, I try my best. I try my best. That's the goal. Like live streams, you guys get to see me, you know, fuck up and you know make a bunch of errors, and you guys get to laugh. But when it comes to videos, I want to make them, you know, as informative and as detailed as possible, and like as error-free as possible. Unfortunately, like there's always gonna be errors here and there, but you know, that's just how it's gonna be. But yeah, that's I'm trying my best. Huh, oh wow, wait. So it actually just wait. Is there a way I can customize this? Wait a minute. No, wait. Come on. I want to be able to customize it. I mean, I can write my own, but like you know. All right, I'm probably gonna have to write my own if I'm being honest, because I don't like that. I don't like that it does it for you. Or maybe I could just do this. Wait. Header add-on. Maybe I'll do this. it's not working. Anson, want me to make you emotes? I actually already have like a graphic designer that's doing it already. I don't know if you guys know, like I have like one of my mods, he takes care of like the graphics and stuff. So I usually just have him doing all of it. I appreciate it though, like don't get me wrong, like I just don't want to say yes and have you like do all of that for no reason, you know what I mean? Yeah. I think he's working on like he's working on the what's it called? He's working on the badges and emojis right now, or not the emojis, the badges. But usually I just let him take care of it because like he wants to, like he likes it. He likes doing it. Yeah, how can I override this? There has to be a way. I'd be really disappointed if I can't. I probably have to ask. Maybe I have to join the Discord server to ask. That would suck if I couldn't. There has to be a way that I can remove these two. Or at least change it. It would be dumb if like they made it so you can change it. It would be very, very dumb. Oh wait, no, I think I know what it is. It's not the footer that I need to modify, I think it's action buttons. Yeah, there we go. Let me see. So I only want one, so I'll probably have to disable one of them. Can I just disable one of them? I think there was a way to disable it, I think, right? If you feel stoned, just watch Andrew Schultz or Jimmy Oyeag. Yeah, I do watch Jimmy Oyeag sometimes. It's pretty funny. Alright, I want to get rid of this cancel button, but I don't think it'll let me, though. I don't think it'll let me. No, that's not the point though. The point is like I want to like get rid of this one over here because I want to use it part of it without having to like add other additional things. Like yeah, I know what you mean though, but I don't know why like it sucks. Yeah, I probably can't use a footer then. I'll probably have to manually add the I think okay, I think it'll be good. I think I think this footer, like I think it would look nice if I was like an admin and I could do something like delete or you know save or something. I don't know. Well, actually, you know what? I think I have a better idea. I have a better idea. I'll do apply or save. Save, and I think that'll be better. So I'll change the color of that later. We can change the color using props. Yeah, I should be able to see the. Yep, I could probably change the color of it. Yep, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Now, you can still see that's the borders there, which sucks. Yeah, this will. I'm gonna change the colors later. Don't worry. All right, and then we'll do. Let's see. I want this to be all in the back, or not the back, the right side. Justify content flex end. There we go. All right, there we go. That's awesome. Now, if they're an admin, I can make it so that it can show like delete, so like it will delete the job listing. Okay. Now the text needs to be a little bit brighter. So here's what I'll do. Yeah, we'll let me put this inside class name job item. And what I'll do is, what color do you guys think would go well with this? I mean, do you honestly think white is good? Great. A save button. So what I was thinking with that is making it so that you know how Reddit. I don't know if you use Reddit, but it's kind of like a bookmark. So the user will be able to they'll be able to save the job for later. You know what I mean? They'll be able to save it for later. That's the thinking. Now for some reason, let's see. I'll probably instead of styling the job item directly, I'll actually style the let's see. Let's go into jobs page and let's go over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make a div. This is going to be the wrapper div class name jobs item container. This is going to contain everything. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do this. So we'll go inside this CSS file and jobs item container. And we'll give the parent a width of 50% instead. And then I can do a margin 0 auto. There we go. That's much better. Now we want to space it out a little bit, so I could probably do like margin 20 pixels. Actually, no. Padding. pixels. There we go. But that only will give padding for like the top and bottom. So I'll probably just do this top, bottom. Okay, there we go. That's fine. And now for this right over here, we can add a margin. So we'll do 50 pixels for now. Something like that didn't want to work. Maybe 25 pixels within point. There we go. Now it's like, you know, spaced out, so it looks a lot better. But I think 25 is too much. So maybe I'll do 15. Maybe a little bit less. 10. I don't know. That looks alright. I mean, you know, what do you guys think? Like, don't want it to be too spaced out, but I think 10 is probably a decent amount. If I did 30, that would be like way too much. You know what I mean? I think 10 is good. You know, 10 is good. And I kind of like the blue, if I'm being honest with you. I kind of like the blue. Now, we're going to use a media query later so that when you resize it, it's going to, you know, change. So I'll probably do that. Let's see. What should the width be? I'll probably do like maybe 1200. 1200. So when it reaches 1200, let's see. I think we could probably do 1400. Yeah, I think that's okay. I think honestly I'll just do that right over here. Alright, there we go. So if I move that, if I resize, there we go, perfect. Looks good, looks good. Looks nice, looks nice. Now should I do 50 or should I do 60? Looks a little bit better. Okay. I think I can live with this. Obviously, later we'll add some icons with the text. Now, obviously, I think maybe the white needs to go. Because obviously it's like way too bright. Like it's just like popping out, you know. It's like it's way too bright. But yeah, this is the idea, right? Basically, you click over here, you can see all the jobs, and then when you click on apply, when you click on apply, the person that's logged in, it's going to basically send the user their info, right? So the admin is going to have like a panel. The admin is going to have a panel. So there's going to be like a panel where the admin can actually see all of their all the people that applied. So on the back, and what's supposed to happen is if I click on apply, it's basically going to save the person that applied to like the database, right? Now I'm not sure if I should use MongoDB or if I should use Post or MySQL. I kind of want to use MySQL though, if I'm being honest. But I don't know. I want to switch it up because I've been using because I don't know, like I really want to use MySQL because you know MySQL is nice. I like it a lot. It's really nice, but I don't know. But I like it though. Like we've made some good progress so far. Like the UI doesn't look like shit. It looks pretty nice. You know, I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna tell you guys, you know, what the name of the project will be fully, but you know, you guys will have to find out later. So, I'll be streaming more this week though, and you know, honestly I should have probably done this in React Native because I'm actually gonna make this a mobile app, but I'll probably, you know what I'll do? I'll probably do this in Flutter. I'll probably do it in Flutter. I'll probably make it in Flutter. And then once I make the app in Flutter, I'm gonna release it on Android. I don't know about iOS because I have to pay money like $99 a year for that, and I already paid for Android for Google Play, so but yeah, I think I'm gonna head off. So you know, it's been a good stream. I think you know this was a really good successful stream. Yeah, you know, I'm glad that you guys were, you know, enjoying the stream. You guys were watching. I'm gonna be streaming again tomorrow. Same time, 5:30, 5:15ish. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the stream. I really appreciate it. If you guys, you know, if you guys want to join the Discord server, the link is in the description. Yeah, I'd like to see you guys on the server chatting it up, you know. And yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching the stream. And I'll be streaming again tomorrow, same time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.